Hi guys, we're playing on my iPhone and today we're going to play a game. Sorry guys. So today we're going to play a game. Today we're playing Bird World, okay? Widgets. Now, this is Bird World. Oh, you want to drag the American. Okay. You can put it in marsh or shore. Let's put it in maybe shore. Oh. You can move the bird. Let's put it right there. Oh, let's feed our birds. We have food. Take the food. Tap the food. Tap. Okay. Which food do you want? Maybe the fish. Let me try that. Oh, that's a fun fact. Okay, close the fact. Don't really get the fact. Okay, so let's put another bird, okay, guys? One bird. So we top one bird. Oops. There's another bird. Wow, there's so many birds. Which one should we do? How about the American? No. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask Gabby. Gabby. Yes? What are you here for? Which bird do you want? Okay, I'll pick. Is there a cockatoo? No. Go get. Wow, there's so many choices. You could pick the American goldfish. I just coughed. Okay, bye. Thanks, Gabby. Okay. So now we could... Come on, let's do it. One birds. Match fast. This will take me a long time, so wait. Now I have to do it again. Good, now I have to play again. Yay, we got a bird. Where should we put it? Let's put it in the woods. No. Fine. Okay. So this is how the woods looks like. Where should we put it? Let's put it right there. Good. Okay, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching my video. So, bye. Don't forget to see the next bird. Bye. Visit Apps TV or check out with Emma and Ellie.